Hello and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about maps in Java. So let us start this lecture. So maps is a data structure which we will use to store key value pair data. So if data such as in dictionary values, where value and its meaning will be stored in key value pairs. So that in that kind of things we can store in the map data structure. So map is an interface. So it is implemented by classes called as Hashmap and linked Hashmap. So these classes as implementation of the particular map interface. And next to thing to understand about maps is it can process and store data informations about the particular key value pairs, and the key should be unique in the particular map. So that is about some definition about the maps. And now let us see some of the methods which are present in the map class. So one thing to remember about map is map doesn't in implement the collection interface. So it is not extending the collection interface. So it's a separate interface, part of the collection API. So let us discuss about some methods in the map. So the first method is put method. So put method is a method which we use to insert elements to a particular map. So we can use the put method, and it will we have to provide the key value pairs as objects. And next method is remove method. So remove the particular object from the particular map. And next is key set method. So if we want to get a set of all the keys which is present in the particular map, we can use the key set method. So it will retrieve a key set, and you can iterate through the particular keys to print the values also. And the next method is entry set method. So entry set with will return you the entry object which is the key value pair of the particular map. And let us see next method. Next method is contains key. So it will check whether a particular key is containing in the particular map. And next method is values. So values will return all the values of the particular map. And next method is contains value. So contains value will return you whether a particular value is present in the particular map. So that's it about the theoretical aspects regarding the map and map interface. Now let us see some programs based on map. Now let us discuss about a program in Java based on maps. So in this program we will use a class called as Hashmap, and then we will create a map and then use some of the methods which are present in the Hashmap. So let us start this lecture in this program. So here you can see in the main method I had used the Hashmap class, and in this the key is string and the value is an integer. So like that the value key value pair will be. So after that I'm using the put method to insert values into the particular map, and after that I am using the checking the feature of contains key and contains value methods to check whether the particular methods are working fine. And after that I am using the key set to retrieve all the keys of the particular hash map. So we can use the key set functionality to retrieve all the keys, and we can iterate through each keys by using the get method. You can get each values of the particular key. Also, it is possible. And next is the entry set method. So entry set method will retrieve an entry object which contains both key and values. So here you can see I am using an enhanced for loop to iterate through each elements in the particular entry set and printing the particular values. So let us see the output of this program. Here you can see the values are getting printed, and each key value pair is getting printed. The contains value contains key method is also working fine. It is returning the value, and you can see each key value pair values are getting printed. So that is it for output of this program. Now let us see another program. Now let us discuss about a program in Java based on Treemap. So Treemap is a data structure which will allow us to store key value pairs with sorted order of keys. So the natural sorting order of the keys will be maintained, and the values will be sorted based on that. And you can see I am using the declaring an unmodifiable collection here, unmodifiable particular map. So you can declare the unmodifiable map like this. The key value pairs will be given by comma separated. So it will take the value key values like this. So we will be able to insert the data into the unmodifiable map like this. And after that I am using the tree map constructor of the tree map. I will pass the particular map, so it will automatically sort the particular data based on the natural ordering of the keys. Let us see the output of this program. So here you can see the based on the natural ordering of the keys, the values are getting sorted. So CA will come first, then CH and CH, then IN. So like that, all the values will get printed like this. So you can see the output of this program. So in this lecture, we are covered about maps in Java. Maps is a data structure which is used to store key value pairs. So whenever there is a requirement of storing data in key value pairs, you can use the map. Thank you for watching this lecture. I will be back with another lecture.